As all of you are aware, we have 28 contesting candidates now, and all the withdrawals are over. So, right from MCC, for the sake of repetition also, we'll quickly go through. Here there is a challenge because every house will become a polling station. A presiding officer, an APO, one police personnel, one micro observer, and a videographer. And ARO shall certify every day that he has made efforts to implement the adopted. There are clear directions from GAD on how to do protocol for the state protocol guests or central protocol guests. And even if it is a road show or a rally or a disaster management department, that shall take precedence.
We start issuing them, and when do we continue that vote?
Yeah, I will clarify, sir.
May was what?
Collection can happen till 2nd May. Dispatch at any cost should close by 15th.
No, I'm asking about the collection only.
Yeah, that's what I'm leaving it to you. It's the discretion of DO and RO. How you want to.
Notification itself, we have given the orders. So all of them are working and they are taking care of all the tasks. Next. So this will be at Tirupati, sir. For the 3 assembly segments, the counting center will be at Tirupati. For Tirupati, and we have added 226 auxiliary polling stations. So the police together in identifying all the critical polling stations. Sir, I have along with the SPs, I have personally had a video conference with all the ROs, the DSPs. We have ensured that the Tahsildars and the sub-inspector of each.
And this election violence, previous election cases, sir, previous parliamentary election is the major chunk of critical location that we have identified, sir. Like the collector has, it is a landslide victory for the ruling government, but despite of that, there were certain areas, total 25 checkposts are there. So these are the locations. Next.
Police personnel. Next. And in 105 routes, 3 assembly constituencies as shown in the figures, Tirupati shown in pink, and Srikalahasti and administration, revenue administration. As per the guidelines, we districts. Next. And security teams deployment, sir, as per the scale suggested by the election commission, is required from outside, sir. We presented the requirement to the chief officer. Next.
Direction to publish criminal incidents from the period 4th of April to 15th of April. It is required to be. Number 2, all 3 ARs are here.
So such a thing. I'm also seeing certain flags and banners that are violating the things as per the MCC. But this I took this opportunity. Heat on the ground or so much hue and cry on the ground. But we have to do our duty as per the rules and regulation. This presiding officer's diaries and this sector officers visit. Mostly visit sets are not filling. Maintain the sanctity of the presiding officer's diary because it is the most critical document. The part collector is very covered in detail and indicated what is the expectation as a.
Most of them are from Tirupati area. Municipal Commission is also there.
These are few my remarks from my side to be taken care of.
If Election Commission of India can depute, last time, sir, per constituency they have deputed only 4 or 5 people. 3 actually in Tambalapalli and Pele, 3. So 3 polling stations, sir. It is very
There, only 10 days.